mom?
Yes, I am your mom. Thank God. Okay, let's see. What else? I always love it when you sing the Star Spangled Banner.
No way in hell.
Please.
No, because I'll end up somewhere.
I'll, like, give you some money or something.
You don't have any money.
I'll get you some.
I don't need any money.
Oh, that's right. Let's see. I'll do your pedicure twice a week.
Twice a week. Hey, that's send me some dollar. Okay, but I can't guarantee how it's gonna sound because I haven't done that since.
Go, your camera's gonna run out of film.
Okay.
I gotta think of how to do it. Okay. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner